Artificial intelligence is the biggest business opportunity right now, but what if you could turn this trend into your own business? In this video, we will break down 7 AI-powered business ideas that can make you up to $1,000 per month, even if you have no coding skills. Stay until the end because the last idea is a hidden gem with huge potential. 1. AI Content Creation Agency. Content is king and AI is making it faster than ever. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Canva AI, you can start an AI content creation agency offering services like AI-generated SEO articles, AI-powered graphic design, and AI-edited videos with Runway ML or Pictory. Imagine charging $500 per month per client. With just 20 clients, you are making $1,000 per month. 2. AI-powered chatbot development. Every business needs customer support, and AI chatbots can cut costs while improving service. You can create AI-powered chatbots using tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel. No coding required. Companies are willing to pay $1,000 per month for chatbot automation. Get 10 clients and you are making $10,000 per month. 3. AI video editing and Faceless. YouTube Shorts and TikTok are exploding, and creators need faster content production. With Runway ML, Descript, or Pictory, you can offer AI video editing services or start your own Faceless YouTube channel. If one channel makes $3,000 per month, imagine running 3 or 4 channels, that is over $10,000 per month. 4. AI website, build a service. Building a website no longer requires coding. With Framer AI, Durable Co. and 10Web, you can create professional websites in minutes. Charge $500 to $2,000 per website. Build just 5 websites per month, and you have hit $1,000. 5. AI-powered resume and LinkedIn optimization. Job seekers want standout resumes and LinkedIn profiles. With ChatGPT and Resi AI, you can start a resume and LinkedIn optimization service. Charge $300 per client. And with just 35 clients per month, you are making over $1,000. 6. AI-powered e-commerce automation. AI can automate e-commerce with Shopify. AI ChatGPT for customer service and Midjourney AI for product designs. You can run a fully automated online store. Sell print-on-demand digital products, or dropshipping AI does the heavy lifting for you. 7. AI voiceover and audiobook production. With tools like 11 Labs Play HT and Murph AI, you can generate realistic voiceovers without recording. Offer services like AI narrated audiobooks, AI voiceovers for YouTube, and AI dubbing for TikTok and Reels. Audiobooks on Amazon ACX generate thousands in royalties, and content creators are always looking for AI-generated voiceovers. So those were 7 AI business ideas that you can start today and scale up to $1,000 per month. Which idea excites you the most? Drop a comment below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI business strategies.